Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili oil noodles. First, we'll gather our ingredients for the aromatic chili oil, ensuring we have fresh spices and quality oil. Next, I'll guide you through the process of gently heating the oil and infusing it with incredible flavor. Then, we'll prepare the noodles and a simple yet powerful sauce base. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly satisfying meal that's ready in minutes. To begin our chili oil, combine 1/2 cup of a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, with 2 tablespoons of your favorite chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns for that signature tingly sensation, and 3 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Gently heat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, carefully pour it over your spice mixture in a heat-proof bowl, allowing the oil to sizzle and infuse those wonderful aromas. Now let's prepare our noodles and the essential sauce base. Cook 250 grams of your preferred noodles, whether fresh or dried, following the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. Drain them well and give them a quick rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent them from clumping. For the sauce, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a small pinch of salt. It's time to bring everything together. Place your perfectly cooked noodles into a serving bowl, then pour over the flavorful sauce base we just prepared. Now for the star of the show. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of your freshly made chili oil directly over the noodles. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh chopped scallions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Give everything a good toss to ensure every noodle strand is coated, and enjoy your delicious chili oil noodles right away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.